So,
What's your achievements?
achievements, yeah, good question. My achievements are various, and I have got admission in UAT, and I am working on myself that was not being faster. Yes.
Yeah. What are your achievements, or what is your achievement? Yeah.
What do you do in your free time?
Yes, I watch movies and I chat with my friends to explore something new. That's
Okay.
Introduce yourself.
yeah. I am Shan. I am doing currently mining engineering from the UAT Lahore, and I want to be a businessman in future, and I want to be a professional engineer in my field as well.
Good.
What is your weakness?
Yeah, I don't consider anything that is my weakness. Any difficult thing that comes to me, I improve that thing and don't consider anything my weakness.
Okay. Thank you very much. Overall, good. Yeah. Just be more energetic.
Yes.
Then we